Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here with 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks with 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel information, truck info, towing info, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. As well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view and dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, camera view again, hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. Also having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. And then to the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential, and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode. Then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C, and then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof, so you can land the sunshine. That should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.